What if you found a clock that could stop time for everyone, except you? Would you use it to become successful? Or would it slowly destroy your life? Today's story is about a boy who got exactly what he wished for, and then discovered the hidden price behind it. Ryan was an ordinary 18-year-old boy. He lived in a small apartment with his mother. His grades were average. His confidence was low. And like many teenagers, he constantly felt that life was unfair. Whenever he saw successful people online, he would sigh and say, "They are lucky." Whenever someone achieved something great, he would think, "They had more opportunities." Deep down, Ryan believed that success was something other people received, not him. One rainy evening, while walking home from school, Ryan noticed a small antique shop he had never seen before. A strange clock hanging in the window caught his attention. It looked old, very old. Its golden hands seemed to glow under the dim light. Curious, Ryan entered the shop. An elderly man stood behind the counter. Without even looking up, he said, "You're here for the clock." Ryan froze. "How did you know?" The old man smiled. "Because it has been waiting for you." Ryan laughed nervously. The man handed him the clock. "It can stop time." Ryan stared at him. Seriously?" The old man nodded. "But remember one thing. Every gift has a price." Before Ryan could ask another question, the shop lights flickered. A moment later, he found himself standing outside with the clock in his hands. The shop had vanished. Completely vanished. Ryan thought it was all a dream. Until he pressed the button on the side of the clock. Tick. Everything stopped. The rain froze in midair. Cars stopped moving. Birds remained frozen in the sky. Even people became motionless statues. Ryan couldn't believe his eyes. Time had stopped. Only he could move. At first, it felt amazing. He used the extra time to study, to finish assignments, to learn new skills. His grades improved quickly. People were impressed. Teachers praised him. For the first time in his life, Ryan felt successful. But soon he wanted more. Much more. Whenever he made mistakes, he stopped time and fixed them. Whenever he failed, he tried again. Whenever he felt unprepared, he simply stopped time and practiced. Months passed. Ryan became one of the best students in school. Everyone admired him. Everyone except himself. Because something strange was happening. Even though he was becoming successful, he wasn't becoming happier. In fact, he felt lonelier than ever. While everyone experienced life together, Ryan experienced years that nobody else could see. Sometimes he spent entire days in frozen time. Days where nobody talked. Nobody smiled. Nobody laughed. Just silence. At first, he ignored it. But loneliness slowly grew. One day, while looking into a mirror, Ryan noticed something terrifying. The gray hairs. Then another. And another. His body was aging faster than everyone else's. Because every time he stopped time, he continued living. The world paused, but his life did not. The realization hit him like a storm. All those extra hours, all those extra days, all those extra months, they had been taken from his own lifespan. The clock wasn't giving him time. It was taking it. Ryan panicked. He rushed to find the antique shop. Days passed. Weeks passed. Finally, he found it again. The old man was waiting, as if he had never left. Ryan slammed the clock onto the counter. "Oh, you tricked me." The old man calmly replied, "No. I warned you." Ryan looked down. The old man was right. Every gift has a price. Ryan whispered, "How do I stop this?" The old man smiled gently. "You stop searching for shortcuts." Ryan frowned. "What does that mean?" The old man pointed toward the clock. "You wanted success without patience. You wanted results without waiting. You wanted life without struggle." Then he added, "But the struggle is where growth happens." Ryan stood silently. The old man continued, "The people you admire didn't become strong because life was easy. They became strong because they faced challenges." Ryan finally understood. The clock had stolen something important. Not just time. The opportunity to grow naturally, to fail, to learn, to become better slowly, patiently, like everyone else. Ryan picked up the clock one final time. Then he smashed it onto the floor. The glass shattered. The hands stopped moving. And for the first time in years, Ryan felt free. The next morning, he woke up feeling different. His grades didn't magically improve anymore. Life wasn't easier. His success wasn't faster. But now he appreciated the journey. He studied honestly, worked patiently, failed sometimes, succeeded sometimes, and little by little, he became the person he had always wanted to be. Years later, Ryan became a successful entrepreneur. People often asked him, "What's the secret to success?" Ryan would smile and answer, "There are no shortcuts. Anything worth having is worth working for." And every time he said those words, he remembered the clock that stopped time and the lesson that changed his life forever. Moral of the story: success isn't about finding shortcuts. It's about becoming strong enough to walk the long road. Because sometimes the fastest path turns out to be the slowest one of all. If you liked the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.